Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. When you are booting your system from the bootable drive, an error pop up and see a message saying error BIOS legacy boot of UEFI only media on the computer screen. If you are facing the same problem, then watch the video till the end to fix the problem. The first solution is boot from the USB UEFI mode. For this, connect the USB to the computer or laptop and restart your computer. And press the F2 button from your keyboard and you will enter BIOS menu. Now go to the boot tab and make sure you are enable UEFI boot mode. After doing this step, check the error. If it is persists, then try next solution. Next solution is recreate a bootable USB. Now launch Rufus software and connect USB to the computer. This type of window open. Now select your device and boot section select your ISO file and in the partition scheme select MBR and target system is should be BIOS or UEFI CSM. After selecting this option, click on the start button and customize window installation and then click OK. After some time you will get the bootable USB drive. When booting this drive you wouldn't run into a error message BIOS legacy boot of UEFI only media. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.